Hi, it's Robbie from Southern California. Another shopping stop. Real short though, because I need something. And oh, this could be a winner. Maybe. I couldn't help but stop for a minute. I was driving by, I saw Home Depot. I'm going to get some seeds since I couldn't find the plants. It might be cheaper to go that route. And as you can see, I am at Home Depot. And I'm going to take a look and see what's in there, and I'll take you with me. It should be a short trip because I still have other places to go. Let's go shopping. So I'm greeted in the parking lot with 50% off on a lot of different bare root fruit trees. Gotta risk your life for that. Walking in now, I see that they've got the vegetable plants again. These look like the ones they had on sale last time, which I haven't planted yet. Shame on me, but I'm getting there and I'm taking care of them. Now I'm looking through here, and what I really want right now is a tray of collard, plain collard, and celery, the green one. I don't see them. I saw them last time, but I don't see any right now. It's mainly tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. But you know what? These plants, 3 for $10 is a good price comparatively. Now they're charging $7 for some. Strawberries. Okay. I have to see. I may need more strawberries. So the price isn't bad. Some of them are $3.33 and some of them are $3.88, but some of them are small trays, so there's more than one plant. But we're just in the spring, so they'll probably get more soon too. And then of course the trough, and I did buy them last time here. Remember, I got the dented ones and they reduce them a lot. So if you see any dented and you want them, ask what the price is. So these grow good in a hotter area. These are flame seedless grapes. I'm looking at all the stuff half price, and I should get an apple, but I've got so much going on. Then they've got the Concord grapes that actually prefer more coastal areas. They don't like it so hot. I never know what our temperature is going to be. And then there was the Thompson seedless grape. They actually can take some heat. So I would be gambling on the Concord. But these are pretty good. Problem is, where I'm going to plant them, the birds will get them and I won't get anything. But they've got all their trees half price now because we're really past the season. It should have been planted already. I'll think about it. Maybe I will get some. The trees, they were running $40, so they'd be $20. And the grapes and the raspberries, they were $15, so they'd be like $7.50. And those are the ones that were 50% off. But look, they got new ones already in, and they're $13 in different prices. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, more decor for the garden. Do they have anything like super cute with hummingbirds? It's got to be super cute. Ooh, these are real light plastic. The sun, I'm sure, will do a number on them. They're made for one season. See, they're getting a lot of different berries in now. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to wait on the fruit trees. I really want to get one, but then it's going to sit, or I got to go dig a hole and go find the place and worry about gophers. Oh, look at the cactus. The colors are so pretty. I love succulents and cactus, but I need a seeds. So now we're going to go inside, and I found the seeds. Look at this. Now, I just want some cheap seeds. I don't want to spend a lot of money. I was going to get them on eBay, but if I get them here, look at that, $1.99. And these are meant to grow. You know, you're not going to sprout them and eat them, but you'll eat the plant. I'm going to get one of those. I used to grow a lot of collard. Now I've got tree collard. And I also want to get celery because I want to grow green celery, not the one that's a hybrid of the red. I like the taste of green. Let's see if they've got anything here. Now, these are more money than Dollar Tree, but that's okay. You know, if I get a couple plants out of them for $2, you saw what the price is out there. So it's going to be fantastic. Hold on. I think that's the one I had. It looks like it, as long as it's green, and that's what I want. And I like shaking the package to make sure the seeds sound like they're fresh, not, you know, something that was wet or damp and kind of got stuck inside. So if they shake good, then you got a good chance that they've been stored well. They do have a lot of seeds here. Some of the other ones I was looking at, they were like $3 and $4. I'm not looking for anything that special. All right, I think I found what I really wanted today. Now let's go outside. Okay, we're back in the nursery. Oh, look at this. $18 for geraniums? Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. You know what? There's a lot of plant in there for $18. See, if you reach in, There's 3 plants, and it's a pretty good sized pot. But you know what? I saw some outside. Let's go take a peek out front. I saw some in the parking lot. Now I'm going crazy with my geraniums. They've got these outside, but look at this, $9. And these are just plain. They're nothing fancy. They're red, white, and pink. I'm really tempted because look how small the container is here. Look at this. And the one inside is triple. So you're getting a triple container for $17, and these are $9, and you're getting 1 plant. I'm gonna go back and look. Just wanted to see what else they had here for maybe the hummingbirds or something. I'm just starting to get my flowers now. I'm really looking for kufias, and I don't see them yet. Let's see, what are these? Let's take a look. Let's see. I mean, those are beautiful. How much are these? Oh, $23. Money's gonna be tight this year, so let me think about that. And I'm gonna start a lot of seeds on different things. Gonna do a lot of propagating. All right, I think I'm gonna go back and look at a Martha Washington. I was gonna get something else like grapes, and I realized the birds are gonna get them before me, and I can always do cuttings off of Gary's grapes. Oh, look at this. Kangaroo paw. Aren't they beautiful? I'm not getting that today. All right, I'm gonna go back inside and take a look. So I'm back at these geraniums. They're all the same. Well, you know what? This is crazy. This is why it's better Gary's not with me. Each pot has 3 plants, right? I just told you that. Look at them. But I can see that each plant's almost different. It's crazy, but I can see that. Some are more magenta with pink. Some are more light pink with magenta. Some are almost white. Now, I don't know if it's, what's in the soil and if that's causing them to be different, some of them, but each individual plant, depending on where they did their cuttings, can be different. So can you see on this one, it's more white and this one's darker. This is very similar to one I picked up at CPG that I've got growing in my garden, but that one's more purple. This is more of a deep magenta pink and white and light pink, and I don't know. If I look at them, aren't they gorgeous? Now, I just love them because this one plant right away is 3. So it's $9 for the one that's out front, but this one is $18 and you get 3 plants and they look really good. Now they do need more shade. Some of the others can take a lot of sun, but this particular one, especially Martha Washington or that type, need to be kind of undercover a little bit. They don't like the blazing hot sun. So if you're in the desert, it's really hot, you're really going to want to find a place that's got a little bit of shade. Oh my goodness. And I want to see if I do decide to get one and splurge, if I can cut, oh yes, see the bottom? See? There's like 8 plants already in there. So I could pot up one theoretically, make it look really pretty, and maybe add in a few other types of geraniums that I have. And in the meantime, take a lot of trimmings off this and propagate a whole bunch of plants. Look at the annual? Yeah, if you don't take care of it. I mean, I would keep them in a pot. I'm not putting them in the ground. The other type with the fuzzy leaf, they're okay in the ground. I'm gonna get one, but which one? Oh my goodness. It's so difficult for me to pick. Maybe I'll get this one. I don't. See, this one's got white in it. I like the mix. I still can't get over annuals. I've got some that are so many years old, I can't even believe it, and I broke off pieces that I saw on the street. So you can take care of it. Even if you're in an area where you can't grow it, keep it in the pot. In the winter, move it in, or when it's really hot, move it in. Isn't that beautiful? The color is amazing. They're a little different from the other ones I grow because they'll flower maybe 9 months out of the year, 6 to 9 months, where the other ones, they can flower all year. Oh, look at all the cactus. I like cactus. I'm not going to grow cactus, but I really like succulents. Look at this. Low maintenance. I'm starting to appreciate that more. Beautiful. I got a whole bunch though. I still have to pot them for $1. Isn't that flower pretty? What does this cost? I don't know anything about it. Okay, $40. No, not today. No, I don't need that. I'm going to put the grapes back. I'm really thinking I grabbed two, the Flame, the red one, and the Thompson, but I think I would get much more enjoyment out of getting the Geranium. Look at that. See, they're getting grapes in, so it's not like if I decide I really want some grapes, I can't find them. And these are only $11. So I'm going to get one that's been sitting here for a while for, what did I say, $7.50. And if I decide I want one, I can just come and get more. They keep getting them in. Yeah, I am definitely going to go with the Geraniums. Look at all the flowers. And they grow good for me. Well, one last look. A lot more flowers, but I'm going to go with the Geraniums. They're low maintenance for me. And you know what? I can create hundreds of free plants, and I'm starting to totally appreciate things like that. And you can share them, which we have done with some of our neighbors. So I'm getting the seeds today that you saw, looked at. I'm going to get that one Geranium. If you want to see me pot it up and change it around, let me know and I'll do it with you. And that's it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this quick spin here. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. Okay, on with my errands. And I got exactly what I wanted today. Oh, I love geraniums. I like the other flowers too.